Risalpur, a city nestled in the heart of Nowshera district, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan, is a place where history, nature and culture intertwine. This hidden gem, often overlooked by travelers, offers a unique blend of scenic beauty, historical significance and modern development. Risalpur is more than just a dot on the map. It's a testament to Pakistan's rich heritage and its promising future. Risalpur's charm lies in its ability to surprise. It's a city that unfolds its stories slowly, revealing layers of history, culture and natural wonder. From the banks of the mighty Kabul River to the foothills of the Hindu Kush, Risalpur captivates the senses and leaves a lasting impression on the soul. The city's strategic location, at the crossroads of ancient trade routes and modern highways, has shaped its destiny. Risalpur has witnessed the ebb and flow of empires, the rise and fall of dynasties, and the evolution of a nation. Its streets whisper tales of valor, resilience, and the enduring spirit of its people. A visit to Risalpur is a journey through time, a chance to connect with the soul of Pakistan. It's an opportunity to witness the harmonious coexistence of tradition and modernity, of nature's bounty and human endeavor. Risalpur is blessed with a picturesque setting where the rugged beauty of the mountains meets the serenity of flowing rivers. This unique blend of natural elements creates a landscape that is both dramatic and tranquil, offering a visual feast for those who visit. The city is cradled by the majestic Hindu Kush mountain range, its peaks piercing the sky and casting long shadows across the land. These towering giants stand as silent sentinels, watching over the city and its inhabitants. The Kabul and Kalpani rivers, lifelines of the region, snake their way through the city, their waters reflecting the colors of the sky and nourishing the fertile land. These rivers are not just water bodies, they are the veins that bring life to the region. The Kabul River, originating in the Hindu Kush mountains of Afghanistan, flows through Risalpur, carrying with it tales from distant lands. Its waters have witnessed the passage of time, bearing stories of ancient civilizations and modern-day life. Its banks are alive with activity, from fishermen casting their nets to children playing in the shallows. The riverbanks are a hub of daily life, where the community comes together. The Kalpani River, a tributary of the Kabul, adds to the city's aquatic charm, creating a network of waterways that sustain life and enhance its beauty. This intricate web of rivers and streams supports agriculture, provides drinking water, and offers recreational opportunities. The confluence of these two rivers creates a unique ecosystem, supporting a rich diversity of flora and fauna. This biodiversity is a testament to the health and vitality of the region's natural environment. The surrounding plains are a tapestry of green fields, orchards laden with fruit and groves of swaying trees. These lush landscapes are a source of sustenance and beauty, providing food and a serene environment for the people. The air is filled with the sweet scent of jasmine and the melodic chirping of birds. This sensory experience adds to the charm of Risalpur, making it a place where nature's beauty is always present. Risalpur's natural beauty is not just a feast for the eyes, it's an integral part of the city's identity. The natural elements of Risalpur are woven into the very fabric of its culture and daily life. The rivers provide sustenance, the mountains offer protection, and the fertile land yields abundance. Together, these natural features create a harmonious environment that supports a thriving community. Risalpur is characterized by a semi-arid climate with hot summers and mild winters. The city's geographical location plays a significant role in shaping its weather patterns, making it a unique blend of extremes and moderation. The city experiences 4 distinct seasons, each painting the landscape in its own unique hues. From the vibrant blossoms of spring to the golden leaves of autumn, Risalpur's natural beauty is ever-changing and captivating. Summers from May to September are hot and dry, with temperatures often soaring above 40 degrees Celsius. The intense heat can be challenging, but it also brings a certain vibrancy to the city, with long, sun-drenched days. The sun beats down relentlessly, but the evenings bring a welcome respite, with cool breezes sweeping in from the mountains. These evening winds provide a much-needed break from the daytime heat, allowing residents to enjoy outdoor activities. Winters from December to February are mild and pleasant, with temperatures ranging from 5 to 15 degrees Celsius. The cooler weather is perfect for exploring the outdoors, and the city's landscapes take on a serene, almost magical quality. The air is crisp and cool, and the occasional rainfall brings much-needed relief from the dry spell. These showers rejuvenate the land, bringing a fresh, invigorating feel to the environment. Spring and autumn are transitional seasons, offering a delightful mix of warm days and cool nights. These periods are marked by a burst of colors, with spring flowers blooming and autumn leaves creating a picturesque setting. Despite its proximity to larger urban centers, Risalpur enjoys relatively clean air, thanks to its location amidst open fields and the natural air purification provided by the surrounding mountains and rivers. This unique setting helps maintain a healthy environment for its residents. The city's air quality is a welcome change from the polluted skies of many other Pakistani cities, making it an ideal destination for those seeking a breath of fresh air. The clear blue skies and the fresh atmosphere are a testament to the city's commitment to environmental preservation. The city's residents take pride in their environment and are actively involved in initiatives to preserve its natural beauty. Community efforts are visible everywhere, from clean streets to well-maintained public spaces. From tree planting drives to awareness campaigns about responsible waste management, Risalpur is striving to create a sustainable future for generations to come. These initiatives reflect the community's dedication to maintaining a harmonious balance with nature. Section 4. A legacy of valor and learning, military and educational significance. Risalpur holds a prominent place in Pakistan's military history as the home of the prestigious Pakistan Air Force Academy. This institution is not just a cornerstone of military training, but also a beacon of educational excellence, shaping the minds and futures of countless young cadets. Established in 1947, the Academy stands as a testament to the country's commitment to excellence in air defense. Over the decades, it has evolved, adapting to the changing dynamics of modern warfare and technological advancements. It is here that the future guardians of Pakistan's skies are rigorously trained, their minds and bodies honed to perfection. The training is not just about physical endurance, but also about instilling a sense of duty, honor, and patriotism. The Academy's sprawling campus, with its state-of-the-art facilities and rigorous training regimen, is a symbol of national pride. Every corner of this institution reflects the dedication to producing top-notch Air Force personnel. The Pakistan Air Force Academy is not just a training ground for pilots and Air Force personnel. It's a center of learning and innovation. Here, cadets are encouraged to think critically, innovate, and push the boundaries of what's possible. The Academy houses a renowned aerospace engineering institute, attracting some of the brightest minds in the country. These students work on cutting-edge projects, contributing to the nation's technological advancements. It also boasts a rich library and archives, preserving the history and heritage of the Pakistan Air Force. These resources are invaluable for research and for understanding the legacy of the Air Force. Beyond the Academy, Risalpur is home to several other educational institutions, including schools, colleges, and vocational training centers. These institutions play a crucial role in the community, providing quality education to the youth. The city's commitment to education is evident in the high literacy rate and the thirst for knowledge among its youth. This dedication to learning ensures that the next generation is well prepared for the challenges of the future. Risalpur believes in empowering its future generations with the tools and skills they need to succeed in a rapidly changing world. From traditional academics to vocational training, the city offers a diverse range of educational opportunities. The presence of the Pakistan Air Force Academy has undoubtedly shaped Risalpur's identity, instilling in its residents a sense of discipline, patriotism, and a deep respect for the armed forces. This influence is seen in the everyday lives of the people, from their values to their aspirations. The city's streets are often abuzz with the sight of cadets in their crisp uniforms, a reminder of the sacrifices made by those who serve the nation. This daily interaction between the cadets and the residents fosters a unique bond, one that is built on mutual respect and admiration. Section 5. From quarry to craftsmanship, the marble and granite industry. Risalpur is not just a city of historical and military significance, it is also a hub of industrial activity, particularly in the marble and granite processing sector. The region is blessed with rich deposits of high-quality marble and granite, and Risalpur has emerged as a center for their extraction, processing and export. The marble and granite industry in Risalpur is a testament to the city's entrepreneurial spirit and its ability to adapt to changing economic landscapes. What were once small-scale quarries have now transformed into modern processing plants, equipped with the latest technology to cut, polish and shape these natural stones into exquisite pieces of art and construction material. The marble and granite processed in Risalpur are highly sought after both domestically and internationally. From grand mosques and opulent palaces to sleek office buildings and cozy homes, Risalpur's stones grace architectural marvels across the globe. The industry provides employment opportunities to a significant portion of the city's population, contributing significantly to its economic growth. The city's industrial landscape is a blend of tradition and modernity. While traditional methods are still employed in some of the smaller workshops, larger factories have embraced automation and advanced cutting techniques to meet the growing demand for Risalpur's prized stones.